What's going on, everyone? Welcome in today's video on how to buy Litecoin on Coinbase. So what we will do, log into your account on Coinbase. After that you'll arrive at this page. Now you can see three options on the right top. You can select deposit, buy and sell, and send and receive. As you know, we would like to buy the Litecoin, so we will select the second option. Click on it and this overview will be opened. Now you can see the asset we are going to buy. We would like to select it and tick in Lite. There will appear Litecoin. Select the coin and after that you can fill in the amount you would like to purchase. So I will fill in 6 euros. After that you can select the wallet you would like to pay with. For me it's my Euro wallet because I live in Europe, but if you live in another country or region or you are using another currency, then you can select the right wallet for you. After that you can select the purchase frequency. You can select a one-time purchase but also different frequencies. I leave it on a one-time purchase and after that I will click on Preview Buy. Click on it and it will show some information about the purchase you are going to make. As you can see, I will be buying 0.06 coins and I'm using my Euro wallet. The price at the moment is 74 euros and 94 cents for each coin you are buying. And the purchase amount I'm making is 5 euros and 1 cent. The Coinbase fee is 99 cents. And the total amount I'm spending is 6 euros as we filled in the previous section. So you can select also a weekly investment. We don't want to buy on a weekly basis, so we will leave it on no for now. And after that, you can click on buy now to purchase these coins directly. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. Cheers, bye bye.